Going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful, wonderful trading day today. We have at the Mojo room. Why? We do that every single day. I'll show you what's going on. What's this? Let's see here. Live stream. What is that? Let's see what this is. Cancel. It's August 4th. I don't know why it says. I don't know why it says that on my. All right. Anyway, trading's really good today. Let's head on over to the main screen. I'll see what's going on. All right, exciting. I've got the tick blaze setup going right here, trading very nicely off my tick blaze. Got the positions, the accounts all working in there. See that? Great day today. What's this one? That's my one. Why is it all grayed out? Let's see here. Why is it grayed out? Do I got a position? Because I got a position. So here is the DOM for the RT Trader that I got running in the background. And I've got 2 micros left, up $1,857. I got stopped out at 500 bucks, reloaded it to 1,300, loaded up because it was prime time. You know, when you get stopped out 9 out of 10 times, it goes right back up. Did that. So I loaded up, went right back up, went from negative 500 to plus 900. Now I'm at 1850. And yeah, that's what we've done. My son's so rude. I had to say, dude, didn't you hear me live streaming? Why would you go in the bathroom like that and just flush the toilet? He never, ever, ever flushes the toilet. Now
I thought it was a pan in the kitchen, Mike. I didn't hear a flush.
Yeah, it was a flush. He never flushes the toilet. All of a sudden, it's a miracle, and I got it on video. It's amazing. Right, Justin? Amazing.
Don't chastise him. It might be starting a trend.
Oh, my God. All right, I'm up 1,800. One left, baby. Let's go. Runner, runner, runner in the kitchen dunner. So let me go back to these accounts and see what's going on. That's why it's grayed out, because I'm unrealized $20, but I'm up 1,800. I don't like when it's gray. I like when it's green, like that one. Made $1,000. Accounts worth $255, $697 from $250. It's beautiful. This one I've made $395. Accounts worth $254, $764. This one I made a smooth 85. Accounts worth $262, $354. Cruising like a bruising. Let's go, baby. Adding one, adding one, adding one, adding one, just like that. And I come on the chart right here. I'll slide one right in there. Look, sell one limit right there. I'll sell one right there too. Bang, bang, shakalaka. 1839, moving into the freaking 40s. Moving into the 40s. 41, 42. These aren't getting filled. I'm going to have to cover one down here. Watch, I go buy one limit right there. See? I'll slide it up right there. Boom, watch, I get filled right on the line. Fill a little.
Position open.
There you go. That's closed. Let's close that shit. I don't know why that happened.
Position closed.
So what happened there? I made 19. I'm not at 1900. It's at 42. I got 1904, calling it the right way, trading like shit. I pressed the wrong button on the tick blaze because I got to use the chart trader, I guess.
So the tick blaze is using Rhythmic for data?
Yes, it is. It sure is. I got
Okay.
the
Okay, I
rhythm.
thought you had to pay extra to get the data.
Nope, got Rhythmic running in the background. Got my when you open up the Rhythmic, you got to press allow plugins. You got to allow plugins. It's very easy. I'll show you. Actually, I'm going to close this out right here. Let's close out at 1900 for the day. So what I do right here, I don't know why that's why is that gray? I don't know why. Got no orders open, but yeah, it's gray. I'll keep an eye on it. So I requested a payout, the first one for the PropShopTrader, and it's in review. This $262,000 one.
They don't have that flipping rule, right?
Nope. I'll show you how it works. You go right here, how it works. Help and FAQs. Let me just save this. 8-5. It's already the 5th. Wonderful. So you got a gladiator phase payouts. And right here, it says they changed it from 40% to 30% consistency rule. It's in your dashboard. You'll be able to see that. Where is it? What I show? How does PropShop handle payouts? You can request a payout from 1 a.m. on Saturday until 5 p.m. on Sunday on your My Purchases page, which I did. So if you come here to My Purchases, right here, and we've got pending review. Your payout request has been received and the amount has been deducted from your balance. If the account has failed before the payout is processed, the request will be rejected. I am not failing the account. I have a $12,000 drawdown. I should be pretty good. So I have these stragglers left. I blew a couple of accounts, but I got these left. And after the checks are conducted between Monday and Thursday. So today is Tuesday. We'll see how long it takes them to approve it. Got no flags on the account. Once payout is approved, payouts are processed and issued on Friday. So today's Tuesday. Everyone has to wait till Friday. After the first payout, request 6 trading days, and the next one is of at least 3 trading days in the same week to request the payout. After the first payout, you move to weekly payouts, and then you have to trade the 3 days in that week and the 30% consistency rule. And that's it. That's how it works. You go to your trader dashboard, you select the account, and it shows you right there, 262,000. I'm in for another payout, eligible, $300 and something, building it back up. I have to trade a couple more days, 2 more days. And yeah, it shows you your net new weekly profit and your required weekly profit. And there you go. Abby, your mic is hot. There you go. And that's the dashboard. And that's how you get paid out. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works nicely and there's no hiccups. And there's no hiccups because I'm at 255, 255. That's 5, 10, 15, and another 12 is 27,000 in profits with PropShopTrader. So let's go get the money to Mojo. And the flood, I'm sure a lot of other people are waiting to see if that happens. It's going to floodgates will open. Right, Abby?
You betcha.
You betcha.
Now they do have a cap too, right? On the payouts?
Now it's 1,500 a week. So you can only make on an account like this, 260,000. You build it up to 262, which you have to build. And you could take out 1,500 and then it moves it down towards 260. And then you get another 1,500 the next week. So you can only do $6,000 per month out of an account like that, which ain't bad.
Payouts on that account, they're going to push it. You're going to get it converted to live too, which is pretty good.
Yeah. So eventually, after 2 more payouts, it's still at 265, 266 range, 270 range, maybe even in 265. And I get moved to live with $15,000 in there. That'd be beautiful. And then I got these babies following it right behind. See data error, data is disconnecting in the error. See the error? Oh, because I don't have my Rhythmic open. I got to trade my Phidias. I passed there. So when you go here, do you know how to do allow plugins, Ab, and do that? I don't have to show you, right? On the RT Trader, just next to market data on, click allow plugins on. And that's all. So I'm going to switch to this one because I got to do one trade. So let me log in. I got to do one trade. And let's close this ticker because tick's done for the day. So that's closed. Good day for that. Let's move this baby down. All right, so I got to do one trade just to do a trade to count the day. So let's see here. Let's go. There's no data. All right, let's try again. Market data on. Okay. Order book, MNQ U5.CME. There it is. All right. So we're going to do a little trade. So right here, this is the order book for Rhythmic. So I'm going to right click. The legend shows you what those colors mean. Okay. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to add and configure the trade buttons. So I'm going to add a row. I'm going to pull down join bid to here and pull down join ask to right there and hit apply. Okay. And they come up on the bottom. So watch, I click it once. Whoops. Set it to 1. I'm at 53,100. Click it once and put it right down there for $1. So that's the first one done. Next one, let's sell it here and put it right there. That's 2. Next one, let's sell it there and put it right there. That's 3. Done. This account's at 55,344. I made well over 53,000 because I wasn't looking and I just put in orders. And when I went back, I'm like, wow, it's running. I'm up $5,000. So that's done right there, guys. New low of the day on that one. So that's done right there. $3.50. $2.50, 53,613, and this one $1.50 closed. Done for the day on that one. And now what do we have to trade? Oh, it's 1850. What a move, guys. Rail grinding, chairlift, magnificence. Look at that. Perfect move.
Good job.
Yeah. 98% on the rail grind. Look at that. Beautiful. Done for the day. They ain't going to say gambling and shit like that. Put that in the futures course. Done. Great job. Great job. Yes, sir. You like that, right? So let's do a giveaway. I have time now. Yes, sir. Giveaway time. Oops, not that one. Let's delete that. Let's see here. I have Lola in there. Hi, Lola. Lola's nice looking. Let's see here. Let's delete this banner. Lola limits. Let's see here. Delete this. Nice to see you today. All right, so let's check out the giveaway. Oh, no more activation fees. Warrior now upgrade to Gladiator for free once passed with no hidden costs. We've made it easier and cheaper than ever to progress to a payout, dude. They're really freaking aggressive. Look at that. Resets at 25 bucks. No codes needed. And then you come right here and it's it's free once you pass. So it's like all in for freaking, at 50K, it's $95. You're all in. Code Mojo. Use my code. Use my code. Yes, sir. I'm live. 35 people watching on my Twitter. Let's see. You guys got to come here to the giveaway. All golfers must watch this movie called Stick. All you golfers must watch Stick with Owen Wilson. Great movie, man. Really, 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 really good golf movie. Let's see if PropShop's done the payouts. PropShopTrader. You go to payouts. See if they've updated it. Rebecca. No, Naveen and Rebecca were the last ones. Yeah. Nope, they haven't updated it. Rebecca's gotten paid. Rebecca. Look. Rebecca. Rebecca's gotten paid. Who's Rebecca? I want to meet Rebecca. She can come on my show. Everyone wants to meet Rebecca. 138 people got paid out 1.4 million so far. Hey, just put the mojo in there. And we're all good, man. We're all good. We're all good. The Polo Prezi at Sicilian Oven is a top-notch sandwich. It is a good sandwich. It's got the balsamic glaze, the garlic aioli, toasted bun. Really nice. Good sandwich. So this is a nice Grateful Dead 60th anniversary bottle of whiskey. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So this guy's gotten base hits at Prop Shop, done right at the open, but leaning on tough days. This guy's doing good. Look, solid. Boom, 500. Solid across his accounts. Nice job. There's my boy Bobo.
That's so cute.
Yeah, he's the best. Hi, buddy. Woo!
He said it's a rough life, but somebody's got to do it.
It's a rough life he's got right there. He's a good boy. He's the best guy. He's the best. And then here's the giveaway.
Yes, what you trade all day.
He's yep, they're right here. They're right here next to me. Him and Mr. Remington. You seen Mr. Remington?
I don't know that I have.
I'll have to put him in the, where's my phone? I'll have to upload his bumble ass to the room. He's a big shot.
Nice to have company while you're trading.
Oh yeah, you need companions and shit. He's quite the great guy. I'll show you the two. There you go. How pretty are those guys? Huh? That's my boys.
Are they on the main chat?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll put him on my main screen. Look, there he is. That's Mr. Rems right there.
Oh, how cute.
Is
how
he-
old is he?
Remy, how old are you? 9, 10, something like that. He's a miniature long-haired dachshund. He's a.
He got attitude.
Oh, he's got attitude. Yeah, Mr. Remington. Mr. Rems. He's got some attitude.
He looks like a wise man. Wise old man.
Here's his older brother. He's the older brother to this guy, Mr. Bobo. He's my best friend. That's Bobo. Handsome. He's a piebald dachshund. Yeah, he's the best.
Piebald?
Piebold.
Piebald. Okay.
Because of his nose, you see the black dots and stuff. That's why they call him that. That was that breed because of the black dots on his face and stuff. But he's absolutely adorable and the cutest dog. Yeah. And Mr. Rems is the boss. When he wants to eat, he eats. When he wants to do, he does. Mr. Rems. All right, so let's do an application. Let's do a Twitter giveaway. Connect to my Twitter. Authorize. All right, so here's how it works. You put the tweet in, the URL. Right here, copy link. And someone's going to win for following me on Twitter. What the hell's going on? Got to log in. Hold on. Don't know what's happening. Let me look to see if we're over 50. No, we're at 50. We went to 56. We went to 56, folks. So this is a warrior trading giveaway right here. Congratulations. Thanks for following, and thanks for following PropShop, and thanks for following Mojo. Yes, sir. Only good things come to you when you follow the good. Who wins? Kent King. I think you've already won. You can't win again. And Samesh. I'm going to have to do another one. I'm going to have to do another one. Pick more substitutes. Because there's a lot of you in there that haven't won. Can't believe the same guys got picked again. Who wins? Mahima FMX. Nice job. Yeah, a bunch of people I've never seen before. Good job, everybody.
I hear a cotton sauce.
Nice job. So there's a winner. Winner, winner, winner. I'll post it right on there for you so you can claim your prize. You could claim your prize. Wow, that's amazing. Here's my birthday round. Sunday was my birthday, old man. I hit a on and 3 and 1 putted from 4 feet away and made the par Then I hit an 8-iron, amazing 165, beautiful. And I can hit it to the right of the pin or the left of the pin on all of my irons. This one I hit to the left of the pin because I had more room on the left side. Then I hit driver, triple check mark. That means it's a great drive. So that's another, I'm on fire. Hit 5 wood with a star. I smoked the 5 wood, 250. Sand wedge on the green, on in 3, 2-putt from 20 feet. Even. Next hole, great drive, 9-iron, smooth as butter from 150, on in 2, 2-putt from 30 feet. Wasn't such a good 9-iron, but I buttered it. Next one, driver with a star. When you get a star driver, that's a Rory McIlroy drive. I was Santi Wheeler in stick right there. And then I hit an A wedge 115, even par. Then my putter got on fire. Driver sand wedge from 85. I hit an amazing putt from 20 feet and rolled it in. Yes, sir. 1 under. Next hole, driver with a star and a sand wedge with a star to 5 feet. 310-yard drive right there. Next hole, driver, and I birdied it 2 under, 12 feet away. Next hole, I had to just make the par, 6-iron from 188. Not 190, not 185. 188. I hit 9 green, 9 out of 9 fairways and drives, 7 out of 9 because I was 2 par 3s. Beautiful. I hit 15 putts, 7 out of 9 greens in regulation. Back 9, par, birdie. Hit an A wedge to 118 to 4 feet, stroked it right in. And I had 4 people on the next tee box watching me that clapped. Yes, sir. Next one was a 20-footer, 7-footer, 15-footer. Came in smooth for a 36 and shot a 69 at the Fountains Country Club. Yes, sir. Another good round for
They
the
start giving you cake after that.
Another good round for the Moj. That's how I do it. That's how I do it.
Yes, sir.
So I got to come over here to the prop shop, post this little winner. Boom, done. Winner is Mahia Mahua. MAHIMAFX379. There he is. DM me for the prize. Nice job. DM me for the prize. Nice job. Post. Done. Thank you, PropShopTrader. You're looking up. After this Friday and payout, you'll be like king, top of the mountain. 1860 now. Do I have any runners? No. Because I'm done for the day. But I called it like a shizzle damn rizzle, boys. It's good to be done for the day with the team. The team should be done for the day too. Team should be done. No questions asked. So I traded those, I traded those, I traded those, and I traded those, and I traded that. Okay.
I've got a couple of PAs to finish off.
Nice. All right, well, you do that. Don't chase. Be patient on the dips and sell the rips. That's what we do. But otherwise, I pretty much have rocked it out for the day. Thanks, man. Mike, I can't join the Discord. Send me the link because I have an application process. I may have to find you in there. When you come to my Discord, you fill out an application and I have to approve it. Look at that, 61, boys. Should be making a new high. Wish I still had the trading capability, but I'd be way over the 30% rule right now. $62. Yes, sir. That's some good, got some good moves, some good trading right there. 62. 62, 63. Shit and shit. All right, I got to turn it off because I don't want to watch it. Dude, I can't do this, Ajita. I'm done. You guys all should be done too. We're done. You shut it off, you're done. That's how it works. Thank you for watching the Mojo Day Trading Show. Amazing move on my short on the Nasdaq. As SQQ rises, the Nasdaq futures drop. Amazing move. Your red bars on the Nasdaq futures are amazing. Great job.